emotions you are going. Like if you are going through a emotion called sadness, happiness, like sadness, anger, frustration, and then you interact with someone. Then you interact with someone, and what happens? You, if you are not aware that you are going through the frustration, और आप जाके मीटिंग अटेंड कर दो, right? Then what will happen? You will burst out in the meeting. You will burst out in your corporate discussions. So knowing yourself, being aware about yourself, knowing your mind state, knowing your own emotions is very much important. Knowing about yourself is important when you deal with people, when you deal with self as for your self performance. So if you deal with people without knowing that you are angry, then you will go and react. सामने वाले को पता ही नहीं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल उसको गुस्सा आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है, और वो गुस्सा आने के बाद कैसा बिहेव करना है वो उसको पता नहीं है. ही डोंट हैव एनी आइडिया अबाउट दैट. देन व्हाट इज हैपन? What will happen? He will just go and uh, he will just go and talk something which is never expected by the people around him, by the manager, right? So knowing yourself and behaving according to your knowledge is something which affects your social performance and your self performance also. So we were talking about self management, we are talking about relationship management, people performance. We have discussed all those things, and we were talking about these attributes also. So these are the attributes of your emotional intelligence. These attributes decides your emotional intelligence, right? If you are too much angry and you are going to attend a meeting, and your brains do not generate intelligence that boss, keep calm, nothing is going to happen, don't be angry, don't react. अगर ऐसा इंटेलिजेंस आपके ब्रेन ने जनरेट नहीं किया तो क्या होगा? आपका सत्यानाश हो जाएगा, आपका जॉब चला जाएगा. यस समृद्धि बोलो.
सर एक क्वेश्चन है.
बोलिए बोलिए.
Sir, is it necessary that being intelligence is always to be self-aware or social aware? मतलब awareness होना जरूरी है?
Absolutely.
अगर aware ना
I will let you know. I will let you know the dimension of not being self-aware to be intelligent. Not being self-aware to be intelligent,
Yes,
right? Your brain always keep creating information, but it depends about it depends on your mind state, whether you are aware about whatever is generated. That's the reason we were talking about this particular thing, right? Your brain should be aware about who you are, what are you doing, what are you behaving, right? जो हम कभी अभी वर्ड यूज नहीं करना चाहिए. हम जब मेंटली वीक लोगों को देखते, जो लाइक हम जिनको पागल वगैरह कहते, जो घूमते रहते रास्ते से, राइट? their brain also create intelligence, their brain also create information, क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है, but their brain don't make them aware. information तो create करते रहता है, but कौन से टाइम पे कौन सी एक्शन लेना है, कौन से टाइम पे कौन से टाइम पे कौन सा एक्शन लेना है, कौन सा एक्सप्रेशन देना है, कौन सा बिहेवियर करना है, दैट दिस पीपल डू नॉट नो, राइट? So they are lagging on the process of the information, and they are lagging on the coordination between these three things. They lacks to manage their they lacks to manage their self awareness, they lacks to understand their social awareness, like uh, they lacks to understand what are the social requirements from their behavior, what is the impact of their behavior on the society. ये उनको पता नहीं रहता. रास्ते से चलते हुए किसी को भी गाली दे देता है, राइट? किसी को पत्थर मारेगा.
yes, sir.
So that is because they are not self aware, they are not socially aware. They don't know throwing stones to someone who is walking on the street is antisocial thing, right? So brain has generated the intelligence.
Yes.
You have a threat from these people, so you have to hit them with the stones, but वो उसको पता नहीं है कि ये एंटी सोशल है करके. सो दे आर नॉट सोशली अवेयर. एंड जनरली ये इतना इंटेंस लेवल पे होने का जरूरत नहीं है. बहुत बार क्या होता है, मैंने आपको एक एग्जांपल दिया था, राइट? पीपल those who think that they are very good singer and keep singing in the classes, in the colleges or in some companies,
Yes, sir.
उनको पता ही नहीं कि समाज को क्या लग रहा है, ये अच्छा लग रहा है नहीं लग रहा है, ये उसका कोई सोचता ही नहीं है, वो गाते ही रहता है, राइट? तो वो दैट इज अबाउट नॉट बीइंग सोशली अवेयर, दैट इज नॉट being self managed or self aware about, right? So he is not self
Yes, sir.
aware whether I am a good
उनके
singer
पास
or
इंटेलिजेंस तो होता ही है.
इंटेलिजेंस तो है. इंटेलिजेंस नहीं ऐसा नहीं है, इंटेलिजेंस इज क्रिएटेड, बट दैट इंटेलिजेंस इज नॉट passively created, right? That intelligence is not positively created, and उसको उनका understanding नहीं है, so they are failing on self awareness that what is my abilities. अगर आप कल मुझे बोलते हो sir you are the best faculty than I am faculties, right? So should I believe
Yes,
on you
sir.
or not is my own
Sir, you
awareness.
are.
No, that is my own awareness about myself. I know that who I am, right? So I will take it in that spirit कि मुझे कहाँ तक accept करना है, कहाँ तक नहीं accept करना है. That is my own understanding, and
सर
that
बट हर बार ऐसे थोड़ी बोलते हैं सर, सच भी तो बोलते हैं ना, जो फैकल्टी अच्छा पढ़ाती
नहीं
है
नहीं
तो
नहीं
हम
वो
बोल देते
वो
हैं।
that is self awareness again. You have to understand the intention of in front of the people. Next point of our discussion is that only. That is about, that is talking about seeing
ओके।
other side. The next point of our discussion is about that only, seeing other side. You should be having that ability to see and read the mind of person in front of you, right? What intention he is having. For example, uh, if someone is greeting me at the end of my class, somebody will say that sir thank you sir, have a good day, right? Somebody will come and say that sir thank you so much, you did a very great lecture and now have a wonderful day ahead for you, right? So ये जो इंटेंशन होता है, कोई आपको बर्थडे विश करता है, यू गेट टू नो दैट व्हाट इज द माइंडसेट ऑफ विशिंग दैट पर्सन फॉर योर बर्थडे, right? With which intention, whether he has just done it for a formality or whether he has just done it casually or whether he really means about your birthday. Isn't it like you are socially aware, you are self aware कि वो क्या बोल रहा है, क्यों बोल रहा है, कैसे बोल रहा है? So you get to know about the intention of the people and you should have that ability to see the other side, right? So that is
यस सर।
awareness, that is social awareness, and this defines about your emotional intelligence. This talks about your emotional intelligence, right? So Prakash, you are raising hand.
यस सर।
बोलिए।
सर जैसे आपने कहा कि ये जानना जरूरी है कि मतलब आपने, जैसे मैं जितना समझा हूँ मेरे अकॉर्डिंग, आप बता रहे थे कि ये जानना जरूरी है कि जैसे लोग मेरे बारे में क्या सोच रहे हैं, या कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं कि अपने मन का करते रहते हैं और ये नहीं सोचते हैं कि समाज क्या सोचता है। बट कभी कभी तो ये भी सर जरूरी होता है ना कि समाज क्या सोचता है वो मैटर नहीं करता है, और जो सही रहता है तो जो भी इंसान है वो करते जाता है।
तो उसका बैलेंस
ये क्या
बनाने का ही
कहेंगे
मतलब
लोग
है ना,
ये इस चीज।
उसका बैलेंस बनाने का मतलब भी है सोशल अवेयरनेस, सेल्फ अवेयरनेस, राइट? उसका बैलेंस जब हम बनाते हैं,
यस सर।
एंड व्हेन वी प्रोसेस इंफॉर्मेशन, वही तो होता है ना, सुनो सबकी करो मन की बोला जाता है, राइट? राइट? So you are,
यस सर।
when you are taking suggestions from the society, you should have abilities, your self abilities to understand those inputs and to work on those inputs and take your own decisions by your own analysis. So वही तो मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको, बैलेंस रखना है, हमको समझना चाहिए कि रियल इंटेंशन क्या है सोसाइटी का, रियल प्रॉब्लम क्या है समाज में, जो लोग हैं हमारे अराउंड, जो लोग हैं उनका, राइट? एंड the information that we are receiving from the society or people around us, that has to be analyzed, understood properly in order to develop our self performance, self behavior, right? So emotional intelligence helps you in that only, right? If we are at the place, we are at the right place in terms of our emotional intelligence, we will get to know that, we will get to know the intentions. And see, it is very subjective, it is very subjective, it is very much uh, changing according to the time and situation. हर टाइम हर समय ये सब बराबर होगा ऐसा नहीं है, राइट? तो पहलू, मतलब इसके डायमेंशंस बहुत सारे हैं, बट द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड about ourselves, about our own understanding, and we have to understand about the our social awareness. We have to understand how much we are socially aware, right? Being socially aware मतलब क्या? Being socially aware मतलब क्या? You should be having a sense to understand the problems of the people around you, the intentions of the people around. So being socially aware मतलब क्या? You should be having intent, you should be having ability to sense the problems of people around you. You should be having ability to sense the intention of the people around you. You should be having ability to process that data properly. That data in the sense, the pattern of behavior, the intention of behavior, the discussion that people around you are doing about you. You should be having ability to analyze this and decide your behavior accordingly. That is called as social awareness. And some of the aspects of social awareness are like being a philanthropist, right? The person who is socially well aware will always be kind, polite when they behave with the people. They will be thinking of betterment of the weaker section. It means they will be having social senses. They will be having senses to understand social issues, problems, and they will be being sympathized, empathize with the people. Actually, being sympathized is of no use. Sympathy is of no use for anyone. सिंपति कोई काम का चीज नहीं, वो तो फिर हम बोलते हैं ना सिंपति गेन करने के लिए ऐसे नाटक कर रहा है बंदा, वो वैसे नहीं होता है। वो सिंपति गेन करे भी तो कोई मतलब नहीं, लोग सिर्फ बुरा अच्छा अच्छा बोलेंगे उसके बारे में, nobody will practically help him or her. So similarly, when you want to be a socially aware, you should be empathizing with the people in society. आप empathize होना चाहिए सोसाइटी की तरफ. Society has to take you in a positive spirit, and you should have an attitude to do something proactively for the social issues, social problems. That is social awareness, right? So self-awareness is about knowing about yourself, knowing about own emotions, whether you are, see, self-awareness किसको बोला जा सकता है? For example, doing particular thing makes you very happy. For example, reading 10 pages a day makes you very happy. It means you are self-aware that reading makes you happy, right? It means you are self-aware that reading makes you happy. Sometimes smoking makes some people happy, right? That is also an intelligence. Having a smoke, they say that kick aa gaya abhi to maza aayega, right? So that is the emotional intelligence also, but not created into the positive action. So it's a failure of emotional intelligence, right? It's a failure of emotional intelligence. When we call emotional intelligence is a good thing for the individual, और emotional intelligence का मतलब क्या है? जब आपका brain positive information create कर रहा है तभी वो intelligence है, नहीं तो वो failure of intelligence है. For example, RAW, the intelligence agency of central government of India, bomb स्फोट होने के बाद बता दिया कि अब ये बॉम्ब स्फोट होने वाला था, हमको पता था, राइट? होने वाला था, हमको पता था, बट आपने मतलब होने के बाद अगर वो डिक्लेयर करते तो ये है तो हमको पहले ही पता था होने वाला था. इंफॉर्मेशन तो है, उनके पास भी है, उनको पता भी है, राइट? बट इट हैज नॉट बीन चैनलाइज्ड. सो सिमिलरली योर ब्रेन डू नॉट चैनलाइज द नेगेटिव काइंड ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन टू योर माइंड, एंड आप डिसाइड नहीं कर पाते हो कि अच्छा क्या है, बुरा क्या है. सिगरेट पीना बुरा है, सबको बताएं, राइट? ब्रेन को भी बताएं, बट ब्रेन डू नॉट पुश इट टू योर behavior that this is wrong thing. It means your brain has failed to create a right emotional intelligence in terms of taking actions. So that is about self awareness. कौन से चीज से मेरे लाइफ में क्या हो रहा है वो जानना, उसके अकॉर्डिंगली काम करना is self awareness. चलो, actually this was not the point of our discussion. We are just thinking and repeating. So clear to you all?
Yes.
Okay. So the next point of our discussion is about ये तो हमने डिस्कस कर लिया है बेनिफिट्स ऑफ इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस. ये आप लोग बाद में देख लेना, नोट्स वगैरह पढ़ के समझ जाओगे. सो द सीइंग द अदर साइड, योर सिलेबस सेज देयर इज समथिंग दैट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड. सी एक्चुअली सीइंग इन अदर साइड, जस्ट अ सेकंड. स्क्रीन दिख रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So seeing
Yes,
other side, actually when you want to develop your emotional intelligence, you need to take so many inputs, right? When you want to develop your own emotional intelligence, you need to have so many inputs, and those inputs can be from various kinds of your senses. By reading you can get input, by observing, by seeing, by looking, by smelling, by feeling, by touching, you can get the inputs to process your information, right? So according to your syllabus, it is very much important for the students to understand how it is important to have a sense of somebody else's mindset who is in front of you. बोलते हैं ना, reading between the line. I am reading between the line. It means जो बोला गया है और जो नहीं बोला गया है, इन दोनों के बीच में भी कुछ डेटा होता है, राइट? जो बोला गया है, नहीं बोला गया है, जो बोल रहे हैं वो और ट्रुथ, जो बोला गया है वो और फैक्ट, इन दोनों के बीच में कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन होती है, हमेशा होती है. कोई भी स्टेटमेंट हो, कुछ भी हो, अगर वो स्टेटमेंट जेन्युइन नहीं है, अगर वो स्टेटमेंट किसी इंटेंशन से बनाया हुआ है, अगर मैनेजर इज प्रोवाइडिंग you information to you based on the propaganda he wants to spread in the company. अगर कोई propaganda spread कर रहा है, right, then there will always be a gap between the fact and the information which is provided to you. So your mind should be always having that ability to read between the lines, right? Whenever you are talking to your people, for example, जब हम अपने पापा से बात करते हैं, जब हम अपने पेरेंट्स से बात करते हैं, राइट, हम बोलते हैं साला हम इसको इतना समझा रहे हैं, उनको समझ भी नहीं आ रहा है, उनके दिमाग में ही नहीं आ रहा है कि मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ. आपने 1000 बार समझाया मुझे पुणे जाके एमबीए करना है, पेरेंट फादर इज सेइंग दैट नहीं नहीं तू इधर ही कर ले, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, या तो गवर्नमेंट का जॉब कर ले, प्रिपेयर फॉर एमपीएससी. उनके दिमाग में उतर ही नहीं रहा है कि प्रॉब्लम क्या है, बिकॉज someone of you is not seeing the other side. That may be both of you, that may be like your parent, or sometimes that may be you only, right? You are not seeing the other side. So हम लोग आपको बोलते हैं अरे पढ़ाई करो, रिस्पॉन्ड करो, आप लोग है अपने मस्ती में चल रहे हो, right? So the point is that कि आपको आप you're not seeing our side. You don't know how much preparation we need to do to deliver 1.5 hour lecture, how much things we have to work before we come for the session. पीपीटी लेना है, थॉट प्रोसेस करना है, ये पीपीटी दिखा, ये पिक्चर दिखा के क्या बोलना है, इसके आगे कितने एग्जांपल देना है, राइट? ये तो क्या मतलब हम भगवान थोड़ी है, हम आगे शुरू हो गए तो पता नहीं हम कुछ भी बोल देंगे तो सच ही साबित हो जाएगा, ऐसा थोड़ी है, राइट? यहाँ पे तो हमको प्रिपेयर करके आना पड़ता है, बट यू डोंट सी दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग, यू ओनली थिंक दैट इट्स हिज जॉब, ही इज कमिंग टीचिंग, इट्स आवर जॉब टू लिसन, खत्म, राइट?
नो सर,
आप लोग रियलाइज ही नहीं करते हो कि आगे क्या चल रहा है. So it doesn't, just because you are right, does not mean I am wrong, right? This attitude should be there always. For example, what happens sometimes, manager comes to you, I'm just giving example guys, I know that you all are sincerely sitting in the class and attending. रोज आ रहे हो इसका मतलब you are sincere, right?
yes sir.
नहीं आ रहे उनके बारे में तो उनको जब मिलेंगे तभी बात करेंगे, अभी तो कोई मतलब नहीं बोल. So sometimes what happens, your manager comes and start talking to you and he scolds you on your team or individual for that matter, right? आपको पता नहीं उसने क्या झेली हुई है, वो क्यों ऐसा कर रहा है. मे बी उसको बॉस ने आपको उसने जितना बोला उससे 4 टाइम्स उसको बोला होगा, राइट? ऐसा हो सकता है वो अंदर ऑफिस में जब उसके बॉस के पास जब गया तो उसको धोया होगा. और दूसरा ऐसा है कि sometimes it is very possible that your performance may really not to be expected level, right? You are not performing to the expected level. So what people will do, they will come and ask you to work and they will talk to you in a bit irritated manner only, right? मैं अगर 100 बार आपको बताया कि ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो, ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो, आप नहीं करके आओगे तो आफ्टर ऑल इट्स इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस क्रिएटेड बाय माय ब्रेन, राइट? ब्रेन हैज सर्टेन कैपेसिटीज, लिमिट्स, वो उतना ही काम करेगा जितना उसको बोला गया है, राइट? तो उस लेवल के आगे जब जाता है तो इट गेट्स बस्टेड आउट एंड somebody will like scold on you or somebody will be angry on you, and that time is it really like it is really necessary to see what is happening to the other side, right? And it's never like it is only applicable in the situation where conflicts comes. Seeing other side is not only into the conflicts, right? It may be into positive sides also. You need to understand the intention of the people, those who are in front of you, right? You need to understand what is thought process going in their mind. You need to understand how people can be diplomatic with you, how people can be political with you while they deals with you. Example, you need to understand, sometimes what happens, your friends comes to you and say that, oh wow, what a beautiful dress this is and that, and like you are looking like you are a very good person, you are a gem and you have helped me a lot and that and this, right? You have to understand whether it is a reality or whether it is something that he is doing for a sugar coating, right? कोई आप मतलब पॉजिटिव में भी आपको you should have an ability to foresight, you should have an ability to get into the mind of other person, right? So that is applicable in the positive behavior, social relations, and that is applicable into some kind of your negative arguments with the people also. So two people will always have a different attitude, will always have a different viewpoints to look after particular thing. As shown in this figure, in this slide, you can say that who is right or wrong here? कौन सही है कौन गलत है? Like sometimes your boss comes and scolds on your team or you. Like boss, sometimes it is very possible that boss is also not wrong and you people are also not wrong. You have done your best. Because of some external threats, your sales target is not being achieved. So is that your mistake? You did your best. You are ultimately you are human beings, right? You cannot like promise everything 100%. ऐसा नहीं भगवान ने हाथ ऊपर कर दिया तो हो गया सब सेल्स टारगेट अचीव, ऐसे थोड़ी है. You have to go to the field, you have to go and do a hard work, you have to do so many things, and then only it is possible. So similarly, when you and your boss is also maybe right, like he also might have been some different ideas to get your sales target achieved, and he might be having intelligence from his marketing department assuring him that this sales target would be 100% achieved. So by the information he received, he is right. By the things you did on the field, you are right. But what happened? Your target is not being achieved, and both of you are in front of each other to discuss why this target is not achieved. So sometimes this particular situation can occur in front of you, right? Both of you are right from your viewpoint. Here the person to the right is saying that this is 9 and the left is saying that this is 6. So both of them are right, right? So it does not, it always means like if we are saying if we keep always thinking that जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ वो सही है, whatever I am saying is right only, so that is not the right kind of information and self awareness you have, not the right kind of intelligence created by your brain. मैं ही हमेशा सही हूँ, ये attitude नहीं होना चाहिए. You should have an ability to see the other side, and this will be helpful for you in a very diverse way. It will be helpful for you in your career, it will be helpful for you in your personal relations, in your social and individual relations also. Like this situation occurs, ये कभी experience किया है आपने? Anyone who wants to give any input or any query about this? ये कभी experience किया है आपने? Like मम्मी पापा के साथ में तो हमेशा होता है, right? And this situation most commonly occurs in husband wife. Yes, no? जब मम्मी पापा झगड़ते हैं तो क्या होता है? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Am I clear to you all? Any addition? Any suggestion, addition from your end? ये कब होता है? हस्बैंड वाइफ का झगड़े जब चलता है तब ये दोनों भी राइट होते हैं, दोनों को भी लगता है मैं ही राइट हूँ, राइट होते या नहीं होते दैट इज डिफरेंट स्टोरी, बट दोनों को लगता है मैं ही सही हूँ. Nobody is ready to give up, and this conflict occurs there. So this is like not getting into the other's mind and not reading the mind of person in front of you, right? So most of the times when people get frustrated, get nervous or get negative about something, they tells us that you could have put yourself in my shoes, right? You could have put yourself in my shoes. So that is something we have to do always. That is something we have to keep in mind always, that we have to look after the things from the other's perspective, from the other's viewpoint, and that will help us to understand what kind of emotional intelligence our brain will develop in the situation, in such situation. समझ में आ रहा है? What is the importance of seeing other side in your emotional intelligence? समझ में आ रहा है या नहीं?
Yes.
कितने दिन के बाद यस सर बोल देते हो आप? Everyone clear to you all why it is important to know yourself, and
Yes.
like
Yes,
why
sir.
it is important
Yes, sir.
to see by the other's viewpoint. There is a book called Seeing Other Side, right? There is a book called Seeing Other Side. Actually, the name of the book is The Other Side, And there is a book called Seeing Other Side भी है, written by some Melanie Pelena. दोनों भी बुक मैंने पढ़े नहीं है, honestly. I have no hesitation to say it to you officially. मैंने दोनों भी बुक पढ़ा नहीं है, but the book is called the Seeing the Other Side, written by Melanie Pelia. ये आप देख लो, इसको पढ़ो अगर टाइम मिलता है तो. द बुक इज, हाँ मैंने समरी जरूर पढ़ा है इस दोनों बुक का. द बुक इज टॉकिंग ऑल अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर इमेज दैट आई एम शोइंग टू यू, राइट. एंड अदर बुक इज लाइक द अदर साइड विच हैज बीन रिटन बाय जैकलिन वुडसन. ये बुक का भी समरी मैंने पढ़ा हुआ है. दिस बुक इज टॉकिंग अबाउट अ स्टोरी ऑफ टू लिटिल गर्ल्स फ्रॉम those who were living at the boundary of Africa and America, right? अफ्रीका और अमेरिका के बाउंड्री पे रहने वाली दो लड़कियों का स्टोरी यही है. So the lady living to the Africa side keeps always telling, and they were living close to the fence on border, right? जो border पे fence लगती है ना, उसके close रह रहे थे. एक शॉर्ट में समझा तो आपको क्या होता है स्टोरी में. And the girl from the American side always keep asking her mother, what is there behind that fence. And American mother always keep telling that girl, you do not cross this fence, we are not allowed to cross this fence, never try to get to the other side of the fence. And ये सब चीजें होती रहती. So at the end what happens, these girls one day becomes very curious to know what is there on the other side. So that particular lesson is there, that people should be curious to know, like kids, what is there into the other side. सामने वाले के दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है उसका अवेयरनेस हमारे पास हमेशा होना चाहिए. Understand, emotional intelligence is not something which has been God gifted and now you will never work on that. God gifted तो है ही, but you can mold it, you can develop it, you can change it according to your own requirements and own understanding. So इस पे काम करोगे तो ये डेवलप होता है. ऐसा नहीं कि इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस फिक्स्ड है तो हमको आपको पढ़ाई इसलिए जा रहा है बिकॉज यू कैन इम्प्रूव इन दैट, राइट. यू कैन इम्प्रूव इन योर इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस एंड आउटकम ऑफ योर ब्रेन बीइंग अ मैनेजर, इसलिए आपको पढ़ाया जा रहा है. आर वी टीचिंग यू हाउ टू डेवलप द साइज ऑफ योर बोन्स, स्कल और सम बॉडी बिल्डिंग, राइट. वो मैनेजर के लिए वो अपना काम है, राइट. जो चेंज नहीं कर सकते वो क्यों पढ़ाएंगे आपको. So we are only teaching you something which can be changed, right? So the way you look after the things decides your pattern of behavior. Similarly, you should be curious like that American girl who wants to know what is happening to the other side of the fence. One day what happens, she crosses that fence. She climbs on the fence and she sees what is happening to the other side. And actually she finds that a similar girl like her, in a black in a color, is enjoying so many things to the other side. Like she is having her own seesaw and her own small house and animals and pets and all those things. So she observes that, and she gets to that side and she meet that girl, and they becomes very close friends, right. They becomes very close friends and they enjoy, and then story goes ahead, and which finally ultimately other people separates them because of these boundaries between two countries. And like the story is totally all about the emotions, what get develops once you see to the other side, right. एक एग्जाम्पल है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप किसी के घर में जाके देखो क्या चल रहा है उनके घर में, राइट. इट्स नॉट दैट वे. इट इज ओनली बाय नोइंग और सीइंग इन समबडी एल्सेस लाइफ थ्रू योर माइंड. यू आर गेटिंग द पॉइंट?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Look at this picture, right. This picture is also helpful for you to understand how it is important to see to the other side, right. वो होता है ना, भूतिया मूवी जो होती है, हॉरर मूवी,
Yes, sir. Horror movie.
हॉरर मूवी, जब हम मिरर,
हॉरर मूवी सर, हॉरर।
हाँ वही हॉरर मूवी, हॉरर थ्रिलर जो भी है, जो बोलना है बोलो आप लोग, दैट इज योर एक्सपर्ट एरिया, लाइक इट्स एक्सपर्टीज एरिया फॉर यू, सो यू हैव डीप नॉलेज इनटू दैट। तो क्या होता है, मिरर के सामने एक दिखता है, बाजू में एक दिखता है, राइट?
Yes, sir. Chudel.
हाँ, तो सामने जो दिख रहा है वो, जो फ्रंट में दिख रहा है वो बैकग्राउंड में होता नहीं है। सिमिलरली द पर्सन which is looking like this to you on the face can be like this in the mindset, in the personality, right? जो सामने से आपको बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है, इज वेरी गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ यू, गुड कलीग ऑफ यू इन योर कंपनी, एंड हैविंग सो मेनी पॉजिटिव थिंग्स अबाउट यू टू से ऑन, ये तो सब आप लोगों को पता ही है कैसे होता है, ज्यादा डीप में जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, बट इट इज ओनली अबाउट नोइंग what other people are thinking, seeing the things by the viewpoint of others, seeing the real faces of other people. That is something called about seeing the other side. समझ में आ रहा है? You are getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Another point is about giving in without giving up. Giving in without giving up. There is a book on this point also. There is one more book on this particular issue. But इतने सारे बुक हम कब पढ़ेंगे पता नहीं, आप लोगों को अगर टाइम है तो पढ़ लेना, right? So giving in without giving up, I will tell you the significance of this particular thing. See, what is the point? The point is that your brain should create a emotional intelligence for your personal development, for your own growth, right? And your behavior depends on the information provided by your brain, right? If you do not control your brain, if you do not understand what kind of information, that is what self-awareness comes into the picture, right? If you do not have the awareness, if you do not aware about your own self, if you don't know what kind of information is being created by your brain, it is very possible that you will get into a frustration, negative ways. You will use that information negatively, right? So giving in without giving up, something which is talking about never losing your hopes, right? You should never lose your hopes. Your brain should always keep creating intelligence for yourself, which is helpful you to be positive always, right? And it is not like emotional intelligence, intelligent people do not take the foolish decision of their life, right? The person who has created a movie to how to be positive in your life got suicided, right? सुशांत सिंह राजपूत खुद होके मूवी बनाया था उसने, तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि वो इंटेलिजेंट नहीं है, राइट? ही इज हाईली इंटेलिजेंट. इट्स ऑल अबाउट हाउ and when you got frustrated because of which points. So this particular sentence, giving in without giving up, will help you a lot to understand the situations and the external circumstances are not permanent. Things will change in your life, right? Once you know who you are, once you know what is the purpose of your life, once you know why you are doing particular job or particular profession, you will get to know that what are your limitations, what are your limitations, कहाँ पे पहुँचना है, कहाँ तक पहुँचना है, right? Like if we call, like what do you mean by success? Success क्या है? Success का definition अगर आपके दिमाग ने आपको सही तरीके से नहीं समझाया, then you will get into frustration, right? And there is no a very huge difference between frustrated and normal people. It's just a fraction of moment or seconds somebody gets realized that I am not performing up to the mark, I am negative person, I am nowhere useful for the society and parents and myself also. इसको ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगता है डेवलप होने में, राइट? सो योर फेलियर ऑफ इंटेलिजेंस, कोई भी मशीन है, मशीन बनाने में बहुत टाइम लगेगा, बट वो फेल होने में कितना टाइम लगेगा पता नहीं, कभी भी बंद हो सकता है. तो सिमिलरली योर पर्सनालिटी, grooming your personality, creating your good emotional intelligence can be very much difficult, but it doesn't take too much to get your emotional intelligence failure, to be on failure side. It is creating negative information for yourself, very possible. So we have to keep an attitude with us that we should always keep giving, we should always keep contributing, we should we should never give up on the things, we should never leave the things aside which we like to do, right? So the not giving up is the attitude which keeps you always up. Not giving up is the attitude which keeps you always up into the things of your life, right? समझ में आ रहा है? समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And what will help you to be positive? What will help you to stick on this particular point? So there are few things. Being optimistic always, right? Being positive always, being thoughtful always about the things that you are doing in your life will help you to become more contributing more and not giving up on the things, right? Giving up के लिए बहुत सारे examples है, motivational quotes भी है, वो आप लोग जानते भी हो what does it mean, but it is difficult to practice it, right? Only knowing is not important, practicing of the things is important. अगर आप practice नहीं करते हो तो पता होने से कुछ मतलब नहीं है. And like external circumstances, external people in your life changes your thought process a lot. So it is important that what kind of social circles you have. It is important that what kind of people you are living in with, right? So if your people do not know what is happening in your life, it means it's a failure to see the other side. And the same case happened with Sushant Singh. Whatever the data we know according to I am talking, don't think that I have some certain mindset about that case. It's just a case study for me, right? Same thing happened. The people, those who were living with him, his girlfriends and all those things, these people have failed to understand what is happening to the other side, right? So if the outcome of your life is dependent on the inputs you are providing to your brain, and inputs are dependent on the self-awareness, self-knowledge, self-efforts, as well as the people, those who are living with you or those who are surrounded to you. तो किन लोगों के साथ आप रहते हो, what kind of people you are living with matters a lot in your life, right? If you live with a person who is addicted to something, I guarantee within few days you will try that addiction, and within few months you will get addicted, right? Within few days. It is said that if you live with the addicted person continuously for 21 days, you will at least try that particular thing once. अगर आप किसी अपने स्मोकर फ्रेंड के साथ रहते हो, तो ऐसा साइकोलॉजिकली इट इज प्रूवन 21 डेज अगर आप साथ में रहते हो, तो मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल गेट कन्वर्टेड towards that addiction in 21 days. At least once they try these addicted things. जो भी हो, cigarette हो, smoke हो, शराब हो, something. So it depends. Yes. Anyone wants to say anything, Saurabh?
No, sir.
So it is that way. Your surroundings decides about your behavior. So you are the one who can keep yourself in track. You are the one who can keep yourself optimistic, positive, and energetic by your own behavior, right? Yes, Pawan, बोलो.
हाँ सर जी, ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि आपने को मतलब 21 डेज फ्रेंड के साथ में रहा तो आपने को लत लग जाती है, आपने पे भी रहता है ना कि लगाना है या नहीं लगाना है.
Absolutely. This is psychological research findings that I am telling you, right?
Yes.
If you want to give a try, do one thing. Have a cigarette for 21 days continuously, right?
नहीं सर, ओके, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है कि मैं अभी 2 साल फ्रेंड के साथ में रहा होता है, ऐसा नहीं कि आपने पे भी रहता है, लेना है या नहीं लेना है.
नहीं, मैं डे वन से ये बोल रहा हूँ कि मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ, these are not the statements which has been made by Shri Krishna or Shri Ram, right? It is the statements made by Shri Kant. इतना याद रखो आप.
Yes, sir.
मैंने जो बोला है that is applicable at large, not at
Yes, sir.
at large बोलते हैं हम लोग. सैंपल में बोलते हैं हम लोग, कभी सब्जेक्टिव नहीं होते, राइट? वी आर ऑब्जेक्टिव। जो भी
Okay.
फैकल्टी आपको एग्जांपल देता है, अभी एग्जांपल है तो है, यू गूगल इट, राइट? यू
Yes.
गूगल इट एंड यू विल फाइंड इट दैट मोस्ट ऑफ द psychological research says that if you do something continuously for 21 days without any break, more
Okay.
than 3 days, more than 3 days, you will get habitual for that thing. Maybe positive, maybe negative. Keep walking every evening for 21 days, and you on the 22nd day you will automatically go for that. You need not to have any motivation, any and your brain will feel that ये कोई प्रॉब्लम है, ऐसा आपको लगेगा नहीं। जल्दी उठने का भी वैसे ही है, दारू पीने का भी
Yes.
वैसे ही है, राइट? तो
Yes.
एग्जांपल्स हैं। एक्सेप्शंस किस चीज में नहीं है आप बताओ? यू मेक अ स्टेटमेंट, आई विल शो द 100 एक्सेप्शंस इन दैट थिंग। कोई भी स्टेटमेंट करो आप। कैन यू से दैट मुकेश अंबानी इज द लाइक कौन सा वो एलन मस्क इज द टॉप मोस्ट रिच पर्सन इन द वर्ल्ड? और वेरी नेक्स्ट मोमेंट आई विल कम एंड कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट दैट पर्टिकुलर स्टेटमेंट, क्योंकि इन नेक्स्ट मोमेंट ये तो रियल टाइम डेटा नहीं है आपके पास, राइट? वो जिस दिन था उसके दिन के बाद उसके कॉम्पिटिटर्स का वेल्थ बढ़ गया, उसके नेक्स्ट डे बाद न्यूज आने से पहले ही, राइट? सो नथिंग इज
Yes.
रियल टाइम, दीज आर जनरल एग्जांपल्स वी आर टॉकिंग। ऐसा नहीं कि आप 21 दिन किसी के साथ रहोगे तो दारू पीना शुरू ही कर देंगे आप। इसका मतलब योर इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस इज वेरी मच स्ट्रांग, योर ब्रेन इज
Yeah.
क्रिएटिंग गुड इंफॉर्मेशन फॉर यू, राइट?
Yes.
अगर कोई इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस वीक है, उसका इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस अच्छा नहीं है, तो दिस थिंग्स गेट ओवरकम ऑन हिज ब्रेन, they overtake his brain, his thought process, and then it happens. So
Yes, sir. Thank
the
you.
thing is like your surrounding. For example, if Riya Chakravarti would have understood social thing better, and she could have like behaved differently, ऐसा बोला जाता है कि she could have saved him. And most of the times the blame is given to the people surrounding him. वो रिया चक्रवर्ती और एक कोई और थी उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड, पता नहीं, वो दो लड़कियों के चक्कर में इतना सारा सब कुछ हो गया, ऐसा बोला जाता है। Nobody knows, मुझे भी नहीं पता है।
Yes.
But if you are able to see the other side, you will get to know most of the insights about the people behavior, right? So who can develop? It's not like once you have your emotional intelligence developed, you cannot change it, modify it, or you cannot upgrade it. There is always a scope for upgrading your thought process, your emotional intelligence, and your attitude and your viewpoints. And what are the techniques to do that? What are the techniques by which you can improve your thought process? Anyone who knows something about this?
By meditation.
Yes, by meditation you can upgrade, you can modify. What else? By meditation, by using relaxation techniques, by being with good people in good circle,
By
right?
yoga.
By yoga, by knowing some proven techniques given by the spiritual leaders like Sadhguru ho ya fir Ravi Shankar ji ho. These people have come up, and so many things are given in Indian ancient culture of Sanatan Dharma. How can you concentrate on your mind? How can you meditate your mind? There are so many things like which you can do. So the person who is optimistic, right? The person who is optimistic, you know what is the meaning of optimistic? Optimism क्या होता है? What is optimistic? Optimistic
Always
is
looking at
बोलो
always looking at the positive side of anything.
Yes, looking after the positive sides of the things happen in front of you. And see, optimistic people has a good ability of looking the other side of the particular thing, right? So being optimistic and maintaining the balance between optimism and pessimism is also important, right? So optimistic matlab the person who thinks positively always, who keeps saying yes to anything, right? जगह बॉस आके कुछ भी बोलता है, being optimistic मतलब क्या? Being proactive, being energetic, being positive, never running away from the things, that is being optimistic, right? So you have to understand when you should be optimistic, when you should be pessimistic. What is the balance between optimism and pessimism? That every person has to maintain the balance. How would you maintain that balance? For example, being optimistic is good thing, that we know that, right? Your boss comes to you and asks you to go and visit that particular client. You said, okay sir, no problem. You went and visited. Then he again gives you a call and says that there is again another client 10 kilometers ahead, just go and meet. You said, okay sir. Like you are optimistic person, you are positive person, you went and meet that person, right? And in such kind of things you can become optimistic. But what will happen, what we should do? Should we be optimistic or pessimistic? If your friends comes and asks you to, चलो अब हमको एक काम करना है, ये लड़का है, ये ऐसा ऐसा हुआ है, इसको हमको मारने जाना है, राइट? हर काम में ऑप्टिमिस्टिक होना जरूरी नहीं है, इजंट इट? अगर आपका फ्रेंड आके आपको बोलता है कि चलो अब तो बहुत होगा, इसने ऐसा किया वैसा किया, चलो इसको तोड़ देते हैं, and you are very optimistic person,
Yes, sir.
what will happen? Your entire optimism will be there in the police station, right?
We are going with him.
Yes, Saurabh?
सर हम अपने फ्रेंड के साथ चले जाते हैं जब वो कहता है सर।
हाँ, तो वो ऑप्टिमिज्म किसी काम का नहीं है, राइट? दैट इज द फेलियर ऑफ योर इंटेलिजेंस टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हेन टू बी ऑप्टिमिस्टिक, व्हेन टू बी पेसिमिस्टिक। यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव होने का कोई जरूरत नहीं है, राइट? देयर वी नीड नॉट टू प्रूव आवर एनर्जी और एंथुसियाज्म. So you have to understand what has to be taken passively, what has to be taken optimistically and pessimistically, right? So understanding and balancing, maintaining the balance between two things. If your boss says that go and meet these two clients and then another two clients in a day, and that's fine. But if your boss says that चलो 10 लाख का घपला करते हैं कंपनी में, घोटाला करते हैं, right? 2 लाख तुम रख लेना, 5 लाख मैं रख लूंगा, ये चलेगा क्या? Is that a way to become optimistic? And if you, अरे नहीं रे बाबा, don't say it in at least in the class, right? बाहर तो सब यही चलता है, but that is not the optimism. That's the reason मैं आपको सिखा रहा हूँ ना. I am asking you not to be, and I am not. Fortunately, I am not, right? So ये तो पढ़ना है हम लोगों को. हर जगह पे exceptions है, चलता है, बट ऐसा इट्स नॉट अ गुड थिंग. दैट्स नॉट द एरिया टू बिकम ऑप्टिमिस्टिक. सो किसी को मारना, मर्डर करना, मतलब निगेटिव काम में आप अगर ऑप्टिमिस्टिक हो जाते हो, निगेटिव काम में आप अगर ऑप्टिमिस्टिक हो जाते हो, तो दैट इज द फेलियर ऑफ योर इंटेलिजेंस. इंटेलिजेंस तो क्रिएट किया है, इंफॉर्मेशन मिली है, बट निगेटिव इंफॉर्मेशन मिली है. सी, मर्डर करने जाना इजी है क्या? इज इट दैट इजी टू गो एंड मर्डर समवन? चलो वही आपको मार सकता है, राइट? हमसे तगड़ा निकला तो क्या करेंगे? इट्स द बिगेस्ट रिस्क, राइट? तो वो अच्छा नहीं है. उसके लिए भी इंटेलिजेंस लगता है. ब्रेन को किसी को बर्थडे विश करने के लिए जाना है तो ब्रेन को इजी है, किसी को मारने जाना है तो ब्रेन को इजी है. So creating intelligence for negative thing is always a dangerous thing. It's always a critical for brain, right? So intelligence is required there also, but that's a failure intelligence. That is negative intelligence, right? Failed intelligence. That intelligence could not create the information which is useful for you. So that is called as the failed intelligence or failure of your intelligence. समझ में आ रहा है? What is the balance between optimism, pessimism?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And optimistic people would be always the people those who are empathetic, right? People those who are optimistic will be empathetic. किसी को हेल्प करने के लिए नहीं बोलेंगे, राइट? या फिर अगर उनको कोई प्रॉब्लम में दिखता है तो उसको वैसे ही प्रॉब्लम में छोड़ के वो भाग नहीं जाएंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द पर्सन हु इज गोइंग बाय द रोड एंड he or she sees the accident, right? The optimistic people will stay there, will stop there, and will try to take these people survivals to the hospital, right? But pessimistic people will make the WhatsApp video. काय को तो YouTube channel पे लगाना है.
Yes, sir.
So there's the difference between optimistic and pessimistic. So the empathy is the character of optimistic people, right? So then, and what can be the problems that you face when you become the empathetic? Empathetic होने में problem क्या है? Empathetic होने में क्या क्या problems है? Being empathetic expect you to use your own resources. आपके पास जो resources है वो use करने पड़ते हैं, right? किसी को help करना इतना easy नहीं है ना, free में थोड़ी होता है help, right? फ्री में नहीं होता है, बिना एफर्ट्स नहीं होता है. You have to put your own efforts there. So putting your efforts, using your own resources in terms of time, money, or some other kind of resources. For example, you decided to take someone to the hospital by seeing the accident. It will be you who will be using your vehicle, who will be taking physical efforts to put that survival into vehicle and taking to the hospital, talking to the doctor. Sometimes you may need to spend some money on something. So it takes your resources to be empathetic. किसी के साथ empathetic होना इतना easy नहीं है, right? So there also your brain should create an intelligence which will be of certain quality, of certain utility. 10 साल पहले क्या होता था, एक्सीडेंट्स में अगर आप किसी को उठा के लेके गए ना, तो आपको पुलिस उठा के लेके जाता था, right?
Yes, sir.
5-10 years before, the situation was this in our country. It was you who are responsible to provide all the informations to the police about that accident. And in that scene, police used to take you to the hospital, right? Then brain was creating the adequate intelligence there. Brain was creating adequate. Though you are optimistic person, your brain used to stop you to being empathetic 10 years before. You, because your brain had an intellectual ability not to harm yourself. वो पता था आपको खुद को बचाने के लिए वो इंटेलिजेंस क्रिएट कर रहा था ब्रेन. He was aware आप ये करोगे तो आगे क्या होने वाला है, right? So these are the barriers of empathy, being empathetic. These are some barriers of being empathetic. So utilization of your resources, time, money, energy, and like taking social blames also. Sometimes जिसको आप उठा के हॉस्पिटल ले गए उसके रिलेटिव जाके आपको ठोक दिया, बोले साले तुम नहीं उड़ाया, उसको पता ही नहीं उड़ाया किसने लाया कौन, they were not there.
Yes, sir. Call to toll free number, sir.
अब वो लेटेस्ट सिस्टम है, राइट? अब वो लेटेस्ट सिस्टम है, फिर भी टोल फ्री नंबर पे कॉल करो तब वो व्हीकल आएंगे तब आप लेके जाओ. दैट्स नॉट द एम्पैथेटिक वे, राइट? दैट इज सिंपैथेटिक वे. That is sympathetic way. Empathy means taking proactive efforts for some good things or for say helping someone, right? So empathetic is being proactive yourself. So these are the things you need to always understand about your behavior, and what decides your behavior, your emotions is your thought, right? What decides your behavior is your emotions, is your thought. So dealing with your thoughts, coping up with your thoughts, or keeping your thoughts in control is very much and very highly important. Is very much and highly important in order to maintain your emotional intelligence, right? So being optimistic, being pessimistic, and maintaining your own thought process is something which always keeps you positive, right? And these are few differentiating points, being optimistic versus pessimistic, right? So being optimistic versus pessimistic, you will get to know that what happens. Optimistic people are always happy, stress free, and pessimistic people are like always frustrated, sad. तो जबरदस्ती किसी को इंजीनियरिंग में डाल दिया, वो क्या नाम था उसका, 3 इडियट्स में है वो पूजा करते रहता है हमेशा. अरे बताओ कोई तो भी. दिस
शर्मन जोशी सर.
हाँ, दिस 2 पीपल. उसका मूवी में क्या नाम था, राजू नाम था क्या?
यस सर. राजू एंड फरहान, राइट? Farhan's father is not Farhan's father is someone who could not see the other side. साले को दिख ही नहीं रहा था, इतने अच्छे फोटोज खींचता है उसका बेटा, राइट? एंड ये राजू का तो छोड़ ही दो, he was himself frustrated person and
he became such a pessimistic. अब ये इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस को आप लगाओ उसको, वहाँ का कहाँ पे उसका फेल्यूर है, कहाँ पे उसका सक्सेस है, कहाँ पे क्या प्रॉब्लम है. By looking that aspect, you will definitely understand what is emotional intelligence, right? And this Amir Khan, he was most empathetic person, है कि नहीं? He was most empathetic person. किसी को डेमो देगा, किसी के लिए इन्वर्टर बनाएगा, किसी के लिए स्कूटर लेके भागेगा. He was most optimistic also, and he was most energetic also in that character. So that is difference between optimistic, pessimistic behavior of the individual, and greatly highlighted in this particular such kind of movies. Actually, it's applicable everywhere in our life daily, and it changes scene to scene, right? It changes situation to situation. हमारे घर में भी sometimes हम होते हैं pessimistic matter में. अब पापा बोलते हैं एमपीएससी का प्रिपरेशन कर, right? So and going for MPSC and being a government officer will be always a good thing for you. हम होते हैं अरे बाबा अपने से नहीं होगा, अपन नहीं कर पाएगा, ये ऐसा वैसा जो हम बोलते हैं. So it changes situation to situation, that whether person is being optimistic or pessimistic. But it's you, it's your brain, it's your intelligence which decides what is the balance of being optimistic and pessimistic, right? So this is about optimism, pessimism, empathy. Empathy takes efforts. Empathy takes your own time, right? It consumes your resources. Then when you talk about being empathetic, that is a kind of your social skill, right? That is kind of your social skill. And being optimistic, being empathetic will help you to create your first impression. Being empathetic, being optimistic, being socially intelligent will help you to create your first impression, right? बहुत सारे मूवीज में होता है, कोई लड़की किसी अंधे को रास्ता क्रॉस करा रही है, या फिर कोई लड़की किसी गरीब को, भिखारी को खाना पीना खिला रही है, and the hero sees such kind of girl.
Yes, sir.
Fortunately वो उसको देख लेता है. अब उसको देखने से क्या होता है, उसके दिमाग में वो उसका इमेज छप जाता है कि यार दिस इज समथिंग आई वाज लुकिंग फॉर, एंड शी इज द वन हु इज द मोस्ट talented, most kind, most humanistic person. So your first impression is created based on your empathetic behavior, your optimistic behavior, right? किसी को हेल्प करने से या फिर किसी के साथ पॉजिटिव वे में बात करने से आपका फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन आ जाता है, एंड दैट इज वेरी मच हेल्पफुल फॉर यू टू मेंटेन योर सोशल रिलेशंस. बहुत सारे मूवीज हैं, इफ यू वांट टू टेक एन एग्जांपल, एनीथिंग.
ऐसा रियल लाइफ में नहीं होता है सर?
होता है, इट विल टेक टाइम, राइट? रियल लाइफ में भी होता है. एग्जांपल दो क्या रियल लाइफ का आपको? बाद में
यस सर, यस सर.
यस सर.
पहले आपको मूवी का एग्जांपल. वैसे डिस्कशन करने के लिए अपन कहाँ से कहाँ भी जा सकते हैं. वी हैव लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स टू से एंड टॉक, बट आई ट्राई टू कीप इट ऑन द पॉइंट एंड टू द सिलेबस एंड थ्योरी. मेरे दिमाग में वो हमेशा कनेक्शन रहता है, राइट? So the point is that if you want to have an example of how you create your first impression with the help of empathy, sympathy, positive attitude and optimistic behavior, is the heroine of गजनी मूवी. गजनी सबको याद आएगा, ज्यादा लंबा नहीं जाते, सबने देखी हुई गजनी मूवी, राइट? She helps these blind girls to cross the road using the gate of समथिंग लाइक रोड नहीं होता है, कुछ बैरियर होते हैं, राइट? सो वो क्रॉस करने के लिए उनको हेल्प करती है, एंड दैट आमिर खान अगेन सीज हर एंड ही गेट्स हिज इंप्रेशन क्रिएटेड. अब ये ऐसे साउथ के मूवी में बहुत ज्यादा होता है, राइट? हर साउथ के मूवी में ऐसे ही कुछ होते रहते हैं. अब
Right.
हाँ, चलो रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल के बारे में बताता हूँ आपको, राइट? For example, you came to Pune for first time and you are attending the classes. You are attending the classes, and like most of you are coming from the rural and remote areas of the country, right? and you are the one, like बहुत सारे होंगे आप में से, ऐसा फिर से कोई एक दो उठ के मत बोलना कि सर मैं तो नहीं हूँ, राइट? आप नहीं भी होंगी, बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जिनको दे आर लाइक, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, मैं आई फॉरगॉट द वर्ड, क्या होता है वो जो शर्माते हैं, बहुत शर्माते हैं,
Sai.
नहीं शाय नहीं, इंट्रोवर्ट,
Extro.
इंट्रोवर्शन
introvert, right? Us, most of you, like अभी हम भी तो इंट्रोवर्ट थे, बाद में लाइक ऐसे ही ऑप्टिमिस्टिक पेसिमिस्टिक किसी से मिल गए और हम एक्सट्रोवर्ट बन गए, राइट? सो यू केम टू द क्लास एंड यू ऑल नो दैट व्हाट आर योर ओन लिमिटेशन. सब डरे डरे रहते पहले 8-10 दिन तक, 15 दिन तक, राइट? 8-10 दिन, 4-5 दिन, उसमें से कोई कोई होते बड़े एनर्जेटिक, आते पहले दिन से हीरो, चॉकलेट हीरो, सभी लड़कियों से जाके बात करेंगे, इसको बोलेगा उसका, कहाँ से तुम, कैसे वैसा, एकदम 2-3 तो होते ही हर क्लास, राइट? तो आपको एमबीए में अनफॉर्चुनेटली वो आप लोग एक्सपीरियंस नहीं कर पाए, बट होपफुली नेक्स्ट सेमिस्टर भगवान करे आप लोग क्लास में आ जाओ सब. सो देयर यू विल फाइंड समवन who is coming proactively and talking to you and asking about your problems, right? Asking about your problems. आप प्रॉब्लम, आपके प्रॉब्लम्स के बहुत बड़े बड़े इश्यूज सॉल्व नहीं करेंगे, छोटे छोटे स्मॉल, like some person coming to you and asking like, why are you sitting alone, can I join you, मैं आपके साथ बैठूं क्या, right? And let's suppose you are a very introvert person and you are a boy and some girls come to you and sits with you, and maybe reason कुछ भी होगा, right? She might be a extrovert or she might be a empathetic, sympathetic, proactive, energetic. That builds and boosts your confidence to the level, next level, right? And then you think that अरे ये तो सब अच्छे लोग हैं, right? अच्छे लोगों में रहना है तो क्या कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. If they think that I am enough capable and to be joined and sit with me, तो फिर हमारा confidence boost हो जाता है, right? And that is something which creates the first impression of that person. So you become, not necessarily you will always have the girlfriend boyfriend relation into the life. There are so many other relations also to be maintained.
Yes, sir. Friendship.
Yeah, so you can consider like this is your idol, or you can consider that person your supporter, motivator, or guide and philosopher and friend, and then you get into a very different kind of relationships with such kind of people. So people creates their first impression by their behavior. That's what I just wanted to say, right? And it happens, experience करोगे तो वो पता चल जाएगा. And not necessarily that happens into the classes only, it can happen anywhere into the company, right? कंपनी में जाते हो, सबसे पहले डर डर के जाते, जॉब ज्वाइन किया है नया नया, तो पता नहीं बॉस क्या बोलेगा, कैसे होगा. And you get to know that कि बॉस is very much supportive to get your target done. अगर कुछ नहीं भी होता है, काम नहीं भी होता है, तो they are supportive and proactive for you to help and to take you to the performance level. So their behavior creates their impression, right? जो शुरू में हम उसको देखते कि अरे ये मेरा बॉस है, मैं कैसा होगा, कैसा करूंगा, क्या होगा आगे जाके, बट बाद में पता चल जाता है ये तो बहुत सपोर्टिव है, and you get into a good human relationships with them. So this is how you can manage the social relations, perceptions, impressions, and like all kind of your behavior in the society, right? Any kind of behavior in your society. So ये सब आप manage कर सकते हो. That's not above your control, or that is not something which cannot be managed. So you have to find your self control, in what way you need to control yourself. So controlling yourself is again a kind of emotional. You need emotional intelligence to control yourself, right? जैसे ये बोल रहा था ना कोई, तो भी पवन बोल रहा था शायद कि 21 दिन में मैं तो रहा हूँ, 21 नहीं 2 साल 3 साल हो गए मैं तो बेवड़े लोगों के साथ रह रहा हूँ, फिर भी मैं पिया नहीं सर. So this is controlling yourself, right? You know how to control yourself. Your brain has created the intelligence that what are the ways you can control yourself, and you can be in a favorable situation for yourself, right? In favorable behavior pattern for yourself. So emotional intelligence helps you to understand yourself, understand your emotions. It helps you to control yourself. It helps you to build your personality and behavior with the society, with your people, friend, And emotional intelligence is something which decides whether you are optimistic or pessimistic. Emotional intelligence is something which decides whether you are able to see the other side. And this all things we need to understand to maintain the human relations and to maintain the professional relations in your career. Right? समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any difficulty? Any addition? Any question?
इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस जो है सबका सर डिफरेंट डिफरेंट होगा ना सर?
Sorry, emotional intelligence and
जैसे सर आपका इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस दूसरा होगा, मेरा दूसरा और किसी का
Absolutely. Emotional intelligence is a very subjective understanding. इसीलिए सबका एक जैसे होता तो फिर लोग different नहीं होते. Actually, emotional intelligence is something which is dependent on your IQ, that is intelligent quotient, right? How much you are intelligent to collect, process, and analyze the data. That is something which decides about your emotional intelligence. So IQ of every person is different, and emotional intelligence of every person is different, right? For example, some of the people among us enjoys watching comedy videos or stand-up comedies where vulgar words are used और बहुत सारी गालियां दी जाती है और जहाँ जरूरत नहीं वहां भी कुछ vulgar word घुसाड़े जाते हैं, right? And that has been served to the people. So few of the people of us enjoys it, right? कोई भी हो सकता है, मैं हो सकता हूँ, आप हो सकते हैं, for that matter. We enjoy those things, right? But few of the people critically analyze that and will definitely understand whether it is really necessary to be spreaded in the society or something like that. So how you perceive the information, how you utilize the information, how you create or decide your behavior for that information is your own processing, right? And it depends on the knowledge, it depends on the IQ, it depends on the social, cultural treatment that you have received. So your emotional intelligence is specifically for yourself only. It's highly subjective. It varies from individual to individual. Some people will get angry in particular situation, and the same situation could have been enjoyed by other people also, right? So both different रहता है. It cannot be like understood even. दूसरे के बारे में हम पता भी नहीं कर सकते. So knowing other side is not that easy. किसी और के दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है ये जानना इतना आसान नहीं है, right? So it's very difficult, it's very subjective. Okay, anything else clear about this? If you have gone through your syllabus, we are almost done with your first unit, right? First chapter हमने close कर दिया है. Most of the points we have discussed. There are so many other things also that you can read. By reading the subject is very difficult. There is ample material available to read the syllabus, read about the syllabus. अगर आप syllabus पढ़ते हो और उसका reading शुरू कर देते हो तो every keywords of your syllabus you will find a separate book on that. So seeing the other side or being optimistic and pessimistic, can you believe how many kind of books would have been written on optimism? Thousands of lakhs of numbers of books, I can say, are being written on the single word that is optimism. And to become optimistic, you need to be very much aware, and you need to train your brain, you need to feed your brain with such information which helps you to become optimistic. Your brain should be fed with the positive information. सबसे important है, you have to become a good human being. सबसे ज़्यादा important ये है, you have to become a good human being. ये तो होता है ना, success किसे बोला जाता है? You need to decide the level of your success, limit of your success. Success को define करना चाहिए, right? अगर आपका success का level define नहीं है, तो you will never be satisfied. An unsatisfied person और क्या बोलते हैं ना, अतृप्त आत्मा कभी सुखी नहीं रह सकता है, खुशी नहीं रह सकता है, right? For example, for me, what is my level of success? My level, how much money I need, how much materialistic things I need in my life, that I have to decide. And you have to once you decide it, once you reach or once you try to reach that level and once you achieve that level, you become satisfied person. You become satisfied person, right? And if you set the level which is very high, which is above the expectations, and if you could not reach to that level, it makes you frustrated. So लेवल कितना होना चाहिए, अपने डिजायर का लेवल क्या चाहिए, ये आपको एक बार डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा. That will help you to guide your brain to generate right kind of emotional intelligence. जिंदगी का जो मतलब जो हम जी रहे हैं, whatever life we are living, competitive life in materialistic thing, everyone wants to become CEO. Every one of your batch wants to become CEO. Are you all going to become CEO? By the end of your life, I may say that. Few of you will become, and rest all the people will be working at a managerial level only, because lakhs of people like us are getting MBA done in the year throughout country. Do we need that kind of number of CEO for all the companies? उतने CEO है क्या companies? उतना position है क्या? Absolutely not, right? So you have to decide at what level I have to reach. ऐसा नहीं कि बड़े टारगेट रखने, absolutely. If you have that, बोला जाता है ना, अपने सपने को ऊंचा रखो, सपना बड़ा देखो. I have nothing to do with this particular sentence, but what I personally believe is that सपने बड़े देखने से इम्पोर्टेंट है, सपने वही देखो जो आपके पोटेंशियल में है, जो आप अचीव कर सकते हो. अगर वो आप अचीव कर लिए तो आपको जो सेटिस्फैक्शन मिलेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैंने बहुत बड़ा सपना देखा. मैंने ये सपना देखा कि मुझे IIM का डायरेक्टर बनना है, IIM का फैकल्टी बनना है, या फिर मैंने ये सपना देखा कि मुझे हार्वर्ड का प्रोफेसर बनना है. एंड आई कीप रनिंग behind learning so many things, behind learning skills and giving sessions and A and O, right? And what will happen if I could not reach there? वैसे तो मैंने बहुत छोटा ही बोला आपको. It's not that difficult to go and give the sessions in Harvard. 5-10 साल में वो कर भी सकते हैं, वो कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हम लोग टारगेट्स किसको रखते हैं? एलन मस्क को. हम लोग बोलते हैं वो स्टीव जॉब्स, मार्क जुकरबर्ग. ये सब चीजें हमको करनी है. दिस थिंग्स वी वॉच ऑन यूट्यूब, वो तो एक ही है, राइट? तो कहाँ जाना है, कहाँ नहीं जाना है, हमारे पास रिसोर्सेज कितने हैं, पोटेंशियल क्या है, ये सब चीजों को सोचो. मैं तो बोलता हूँ सेट अ फर्स्ट लेवल, set a small target, achieve it, then set a next level. Here you will get at least satisfaction, sense of satisfaction once. Then small targets will help you to go ahead. So setting up your targets in a prescribed limit will help you to create a right intelligence in your brain, right? बड़े सपने देखना is always good thing, but बड़े सपने को अचीव अगर नहीं कर पाए तो वो सिचुएशन के साथ डील कैसे करना है, that is something challenging. That there your emotional intelligence fails, right? बहुत सारे लोग 2-3 days before a case happened in the Pune city itself, one of the person who has passed public services examination, that is MPSC बोला जाता है हमारे यहाँ पे, महाराष्ट्र पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन, right? And these are the first class officers in government departments, class 1 officers. He got passed before 2 years and he gets suicide last week, 3-4 days before. So, like, what was the reason? What was the reason that he himself thought to suicide? उसके पास क्या problem था? Is it like that his IQ was not proper? Is it like that his intelligence failed? Yeah, absolutely, it's his intelligence failed only, but is it like that he was not intelligent? He was intelligent enough. But the problem is that the brain failed to process the information. The brain failed to create an intelligence which will help him to survive. And that is because of losing control over your thoughts. That is because of losing control over your thoughts. For example, if I ask me, what will you do if I lose my job? Let me tell you that मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा है, मैं अगर मुझे ये मेरा जॉब चला जाता है, जो जॉब ही क्या, मेरा सब कुछ अगर चला जाता है तो मैं क्या करूंगा? मेरा खुद का एटीट्यूड आज तो ऐसा है कि मेरा अगर एवरीथिंग इफ आई लूज ऑन अ सिंगल मूवमेंट, आई विल डू एनीथिंग दैट आई नीड टू सर्वाइव. लाइक आई कैन डू अ लोएस्ट लोअर क्वालिटी ऑफ द जॉब, whatever it can be. But do everyone has that mindset? Do everyone has that thought process to go and do which is like not acceptable by yourself. Like, so रास्ते पे रहो, होटल में रहो, किसी छोटे से छोटे जॉब में रहो, I will have no problem for that if I lose something. So to develop this particular intelligence, what was the problem with those kind of people, those who are like, सब कुछ भी चला जाता तो क्या प्रॉब्लम था सुशांत सिंह राजपूत को? चार चार क्या 10 भी लड़कियां चली जाती थी लाइफ से तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं था, राइट? पैसे का भी ठीक था, अगर सब पैसा भी चला जाता था, सब लड़कियां भी चली जाती तो भी dying is not the solution, right? Or negative actions cannot be a solution, that cannot prove your things. Similar happened with this person also. So when we fail to control our emotions, when we fail to control the intelligence, we get into a negative mind state and frustration. So you have to be with good people, you have to be with the people who can see your side and control your emotions, and you have to set your limits which can be achieved, which can be giving you the sense of satisfaction and achievement, right? This is all about emotional intelligence. Psychological subject hai, theoretical subject hai, there are so many things to discuss and speak on, तो ये तो चलते रहेगा, it's kind of satsang. So we are done with the first unit with this. You can go through the syllabus and tell me something, like if something is missing on that. Any questions, any query? All clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Any query, guys? Anyone has any question? Only 18 students are there in the class.
No, sir.
So, chalo, should I stop here then? Thank you so much for your patient listening. I hope this would have been useful to you all. So, take care.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir. Thank
Thank
you
you,
very much,
sir.
sir.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, sir.